So you got a project car for me? Sure do. It's a Mazda. People love Mazdas. They definitely do. Does that mean we get to say zoom zoom a lot in this video? We sure do. Zoom zoom is tight. Yeah. Tell me more about this Mazda. Well, it's an MX5, a 2006 actually. The most hated of all the MX5s, because they consider it a yacht. Well, why are we making a movie about yachts? Thought this was a project car. Well, it is. But people refer to this one as a yacht, believe it or not, because it was the heaviest of all of them. So do people like those MX5s? Yeah, well, people do love the MX5. They just happen to hate on it because they don't know how to drive and believe it doesn't have enough horsepower. So any real enthusiast actually loves the MX5. Real drivers are tight. Yes, they are. So what are we gonna do to this project car? I have a massive list in store for this. First, we're gonna start out with repairing all the hail damage on this thing. Hail damage? Well, that sounds like an inconvenience. A complete inconvenience, actually. It's gonna take me weeks on end just to repair the bodywork so we can take it through salvage inspection and get it titled properly. We need a proper title for a race car? Yes, we do, because we're gonna be competing in Club TR in Grid Life. Oh, Grid Life? Grid Life's tight. Yeah. What else is in store for this? Well, the laundry list is pretty long, actually. Longer than you're gonna be comfortable with. Well, how long of a list? We're gonna have to do coilovers, bushings, brakes, and an oil cooler, and pray to God our motor doesn't blow up in the first month of use. Why is that? Well, this thing has 189,000 miles on it, and we picked it up for $1,800 6 years ago. Oh. Well, people love project cars though, right? I hope so, because this one's gonna be a very long and costly one. And how are we gonna afford this? Credit cards. 0% interest for 16 months. I hear it's how a lot of the race car people do it nowadays. I'm pretty sure that's not how it's done. I'm pretty sure that people either get sponsors or build YouTube channels around this, or do something of the like to make sure there's extra income in there to make sure they don't fall into holy debt. No, that's a lie. All of racing is just one giant debt hole. You just fall in and then you pray to God that like it works out for you. That's how all of racing actually works. And your idea seems a lot more dangerous than that. It is. It's unbelievably dangerous. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it because supposedly we love this sport and we love the idea of building a car. I'm not sure if I actually like this idea anymore, or even the idea of building said race car for this. No, you do, because right now we're making this film so that hopefully we have enough followers to pay for tires one season. Well, how long is that gonna take us? I'm told at least 5 years. We only have 4 months until the new season starts though. Yeah. I'm not too worried about that. So what else do you have in store for this project car of ours? Well, somewhere down the line I had the brilliant idea of swapping in a K24 Honda motor into this thing. Really? Do they even make a swap kit for that application in the NC? No, not at all. We're gonna have to build this from scratch pretty much and just cobble together what we can as quickly as we can once the motor that's in the car blows up. So you're not even gonna try and get through a season with that motor? Well, I'm going to. I'm gonna try really hard to get through a season, but that'll be a lot of the drama that the audience I think is gonna love seeing. The car explode pretty much on the first go. Well, that is very dramatic, and drama does seem to sell, and people do love drama. I'm in. Yeah. Drama always sells. I like that. Sales means money, and sales are good, right? I would hope so. By then, we might even have 24 subscribers. Is that gonna put us anywhere near getting paid off for tires? Probably not. This is gonna take us a lot of effort from what I understand. Most of the time, I'm comfortable with saying how hard could it be, but for once in my life, I'm pretty sure we're completely boned on this project. Fuck, we totally are. Then why are we doing this? Well, you see, you actually have nothing better to do being a 36-year-old man-child with access to cars. You don't have any constraints in your life, and financially you thought you'd be dead by now. Actually, you thought you'd be dead 6 years ago, but here you are, still alive. So you might as well chase the dream that you've always had, which is to crash a car into Road America's wall somewhere. Pretty sure crashing into a wall at Road America is not one of my dreams. But being a man-child with access to cars does sound tight. It's not. It would be a very bad thing if you crashed. People would probably watch, but we don't want to lose our race car just yet. Yeah, you're right. Probably a lot more time than we actually have, because we're going to be building 2 other project cars at the exact same time. Well, that seems like an awful idea as well. Well, it is, but we have no choice because, again, we're man-children and we need to get through everything we can before the spring starts. Maybe we shouldn't finish one of those projects? No, you're absolutely actually obligated to finish the other 2 projects by spring, because if you don't, you're a dick. Well, I don't like being a dick, so I guess we are gonna have to finish them. Yeah. We're definitely gonna have to finish them. And we're definitely gonna be like desperately trying to keep up with people at the track this year. Alright, I'm sold. This sounds like a great idea in all honesty. I mean, what? How hard could it be? The car's gotta be at least halfway done by now, right? You've gotta have started ordering parts by now. No, we actually only got the title 2 days ago, and that took almost 2 months just to get. Oh, God, well, have you ordered any parts for this thing whatsoever? No, I actually didn't want to order any parts until I saw the title, because I didn't really want to, like, spend thousands upon thousands of dollars for mediocre parts that don't really even get us competitive in our class. But now that we have the title, we're going to do that. I've been looking at all the spreadsheets and websites and, you know, given COVID and how quickly things tend to show up now, I'm pretty sure we're going to do just fine. Right, well, I hear we've had like a lot of difficulties getting things shipped due to all the supply chain problems in the last couple of months thanks to COVID and whatnot. We have, but I have a lot of faith in UPS, and most of the things we order from Amazon come pretty quickly. Are you ordering race car parts from Amazon? That doesn't seem like the proper vendor to go through for actual race car parts. It's the best vendor we got. Don't know what to tell you. Hopefully all the other people ship us our crap and it makes it here on time. Well, have you at least ordered the tires and wheels and the suspension? No. But that's on the list of things to do tomorrow, I swear. Alright, tight. I'm sold. This sounds like a great idea. I have all the faith in the world we're gonna get this done the right way. I mean, after all, what could go wrong? Hey guys, Art here. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash the like button like I smash your mom on the weekends, and tune in for more episodes, hopefully, if I don't get bored of making these. Thanks.